Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Tangetco appoints PTC India as a power aggregator. Omega Seiki partners with Korean firm for electric vehicle powertrains. Update on solar-related tenders. Coming to the details. Tangetco recently floated a tender for procurement of 1500 megawatt power for 5 years, covered under the medium term. Tangetco appointed PTC India as power aggregator for the aforesaid tender. PTC India will sign power purchase agreements with successful generators and power supply agreements with Tangetco. PTC has tied up a 400 megawatt power supply pact with Tangetco under Pilot Scheme 2. PTC is also aggregator under the Pilot Scheme 1 and Pilot Scheme 2 of Ministry of Power. Indian EV manufacturer Omega Seiki Mobility and Korean EV powertrain maker Jaesung Tech have partnered to produce electric powertrains in India. The all-electric RA314 powertrain will be their first product and will find its home in OSM Rage Place in first quarter of financial year 2023. As a part of this partnership, the two companies will be forming a new joint venture, OSM Jaesung Tech Company Limited. The new RA314 will be manufactured by Omega at its facility in Faridabad and in Pune at its group company Omega Bright Steel and Components facility. Omega will also test and calibrate the RA314 for typical Indian driving conditions. The RA314 stands out with a 3S build, silent drive, simple architecture and superior durability. Besides, the new powertrain is IP67 rated and will not skip a beat even if submerged in water for 30 minutes. Based on internal testing conducted by OSM and Jaesung, the new powertrain is 30% more efficient and 20% lighter than existing power units doing duty in the electric three-wheelers at the moment. Central Electronics Limited has invited bids for design, supply, erection, testing and commissioning of decentralized solar systems ranging from 2 MW to 10 MW for a cumulative capacity of 25 MW at various substations in Maharashtra. Winning bidders will be responsible for operation and maintenance of the project for a period of 12 years. At present, bids have been invited specifically for the districts of Washim, Buldana and Sangli in the state. The last date for final bid submission is January 19, 2022 with bids to be opened on the same day. Punjab Genco, a wholly owned company of Punjab Energy Development Agency, has invited bids for design, manufacture, supply, testing and commissioning of 16 megawatt of solar power projects in Batinda district of Punjab. The successful bidder will also have to take care of maintenance activities for 5 years. The last date to submit the bids online is January 18, 2022. Bids will be opened on January 20. Tata Memorial Centre has issued a tender for 1 megawatt grid-connected solar power project at Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Centre in Mohali, Punjab. The project is estimated to cost 42.1 million rupees. The last date to submit bids is January 28, 2022. Technical bids will be opened on February 2nd. The project should be completed within 5 months from the letter of intent. Additional news today: 89 thermal power plants are running with critical coal stock. Ministry of Coal urges Chhattisgarh Chief Minister for resolution of land-related issues to further enhance coal production. CERC has directed CTU to grant a transmission line to supply 500 megawatt of renewable energy-based power to Reliance Industries Jamnagar Refinery. Bagaria Industries Limited has successfully commissioned 9.50 megawatt solar power projects in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 182.78 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details: price discovered during night 1 rupee 85 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 35 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 4 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 18 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 34 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 12.31 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 4 rupees 41 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.